Welcome to Lesson 14. Pipeline Builder got us far, but now we need something more powerful. Code repositories, also called the Foundry Developer Experience, let you write real TypeScript or Python code inside Foundry. You get a full IDE, Git version control, automated testing, and CI/CD. This lesson shows you when and how to use code instead of visual pipelines. Pipeline Builder is like driving automatic, simple, accessible, and fast to learn. Code repositories are like driving manual, more control, more power, but you need to know what you're doing. Real-world projects eventually need custom business logic that visual tools can't express cleanly. Multivariable scoring algorithms, conditional branching with complex rules, machine learning feature pipelines, all of these need code. Code repositories give you that power without leaving Foundry. There's no single better tool. Pipeline Builder wins on speed and accessibility. Drag a few nodes, click Run, done. Code repositories win on power and maintainability. Real tests, real version control, real reuse. The critical insight is that both produce identical Foundry datasets. Workshops, the ontology, and the AIP don't care whether data come from Pipeline Builder or a code repository. Choose based on complexity, not on output format. This decision table is your cheat sheet. The rule of thumb: if Pipeline Builder can't do it in one node, use Pipeline Builder. If you need tests, custom logic, or usable libraries, use code repos. Many production Foundry developments use both. Pipeline Builder for straightforward data prep, code repositories for complex business logic. The outputs are interchangeable, so you can mix and match freely.